Good morning, students. So today we are going to discuss about the agriculture and IoT in agriculture basically. So IoT has already so many aspects and it has wide range of the applications. But you think that when we have control over the things, then it is very powerful and it can increase our productivity and agriculture productivity also. So for this case we can discuss about the IoT in agriculture. So we have already discussed in your syllabus about the home automation, cities, environment, energy, retail, logistics. So today we will discuss about the agriculture, that how the IoT is important for the agriculture. Okay. So now let's have a look on it, the block diagram of it, and it is an important block diagram. So you can see this. So we have sensors. We have three parts in over here. We have sensors. So sensors can monitor the soil moisture, light, motion sensors, air pollution, dust and pollution gases. So all these things affects the agriculture basically. So another things, we have weather conditions, that what is the temperature, humidity, wind and rain. So by means of the sensors we can detect it and we can have the data on our server. Next we have the actuators. Actuators are important for us. How? Actuators basically switch on the electric switches, lights and electric vehicles, valves, which are important for us for the irrigation purpose of the fields, agriculture fields. Okay. Next we have the drones. Other things we have the drones, cameras and RFID tags for the animal identification and monitoring. So these are some important things which are important for the agriculture. So what is important here, that how we can provide the smart irrigation and how we can provide the greenhouse control. So let's discuss about the understanding of the wireless connected sensors which can help in the plant care. So here is the cloud. It is a internet cloud. So here are some sensors which are deployed, and the data of all the environmental things can be provided to the, by means of the base router, it can be provided to the cloud. Okay. So now there is a user system and wireless transmitters are also there, which provides the data over the home and office, tablets while on trip, and smartphones. So by means of these all devices we can have the data using our internet. So other smart greenhouse applications are moisture, temperature, water, light. So these all applications are used for the greenhouse effects, and simply the data must be on the cloud, so that the user can find the things and he can monitor the things, and he can also control whatever the actuators and valves, electric valves are there. So purpose specific sensors are connected to wireless modems. They send periodic environmental data to user over the internet. He analyzes the data and remotely adjusts the actuators. Okay. So it is important that how we can control the complete environment of a plant. So application of IoT in agriculture are monitoring soil moisture and temperature, controlled irrigation and efficient usage of inputs like water, fertilizers, pesticides. So what are the impacts of IoT on irrigation? So definitely if we can control all the things, then we have a good control over the agriculture production. So that is in this picture you can see that is one of the thing, when a farmer is irrigating his fields using water from the well, and one of the thing that after that the technology grows up, and the water pump has been used for the irrigation purpose, tube well has been used for the irrigation purpose, Now these days the IoT come in picture, and all the things are in controlled manner. So that's how the things are growing up, and IoT has a great impact on the production of the agriculture field. So there is a system which is basically connecting with the fields. You can see that this is a field in environment, and all the data is coming to this black box, and this black box is transmitting the data throughout the over the internet and all. So Green IQ system has three components basically. Green IQ Smart Garden Hub. So this is a Green IQ company, and it is providing you some of the things which are important according to the agriculture. So you can have the idea from it, and you can see that the Green IQ Smart Garden Hub is over there. It connects to your garden and irrigation walls. Optionally connects to your garden's lightning circuits, controls irrigation and lighting schedules, connect to the internet via Ethernet or either Wi-Fi or cellular depending on the model or internet cable. Green IQ mobile apps are over there, by which you can control more of the things. You can monitor the data. Green IQ Cloud is there, by which you can provide the data over the internet, and already some applications are over there, and which you can easily integrate with your systems. So mobile app is over there, Green IQ Cloud is over there. So by means of this Green IQ Cloud, your Internet of Things come in picture, and whatever the data is over there, where whatever the actuators and sensors are connected to this Green IQ Hub, and this Green IQ Hub is connected with this Green IQ Cloud, and the user can control all the things using the mobile app. So applications of IoT in agriculture are a reduced cost of the production, connected greenhouses and stables, and livestock monitoring is also there. So it's enough in this lecture. In my next lecture I will tell you about the industry, IoT in industry. Thank you.